Can you clean my home before I move back in after renovations?
Yes, and this is one of the most common reasons our clients book us. After weeks or months of trades, decisions, dust and delays, the last thing you want to do is walk into a chaotic, dusty house. We provide a move back in ready clean that covers every room, floor and surface. Full removal of builder dust, paint splatters and sticky residue. Inside cupboards, drawers and wardrobes. New appliance wipe downs. Fridge or pantry resets, optional add-on. Carpet steam cleaning or pressure washing on request. Your home won't just look clean, it will feel calm, smell fresh and function perfectly from the moment you step inside. This clean isn't just about hygiene, it's about peace. We give you the confidence to move back in, open the wine and finally enjoy your beautiful new space.